Hello guys, I am back with another recipe on Wednesday, and if you're like me that does not really like oats, honestly you will love this recipe. You can have it with milk or anything, and you only need easy ingredients. You need 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 large bananas, half a cup of strawberries, and half cup of peanut butter. That's all. I added another 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. That's it. The first thing I did was to mash the bananas until it became a puree. Then I added the peanut butter. You can also use almond butter for this phase. I added the oats in batches because I wanted everything to be incorporated properly. Just continue to fold it thoroughly all the way to the end. Now I added my strawberries. And then now the chocolate chips. Just keep folding it until you're through to the very end. This recipe will make about 12 balls of dough that you can place on a lined sheet, and then you press it down into a cookie shape. Once that's completed, get your lined pan and roll them into balls like I said, and then flatten it and bake for about 12 minutes or until golden brown around the edges. Once you're done with the balls, flatten them to look like this and then bake for 12 minutes. And it's all ready. Let me know if you give this a try. See you next time. Bye.